This is a Club Joker camper van, Club Joker Urban, and when I come round here it says it's a world premiere. Now maybe I've been travelling through time, but I do appear to have seen a Club Joker in the past, so let's just check if it's been me travelling through time or not. Well, it does look somewhat similar to the ones I have seen in the past. Effectively, it's a VW camper van on a Ford Transit base. Well, not entirely, because it does have a door over on this side, which the VW camper van doesn't, as a rule. One burner, sink, small, and hole there for keeping things in, but it's not a fridge. Looking down here, we have more storage. This bit here, I wonder why that comes out like that. Oh, I suppose that is to make some kind of extension of storage or something. 2 seats, automotive seats, not camper van seats, so you can sort of sit in them. Now if you want to sleep in it, what you'll do is you'll put the seats flat, and there's a bit at the back that goes on top, so that's your bed here, sort of folds over and goes on top. No toilet, no washing, no nothing except for some seats. Right, let's have a look at this. 80,000 euros nearly, and it's got 25 litres of fresh water, 25 litres of wastewater, a small gas canister, and space for a small gas canister, 2 times 95 ampere hour batteries. Now that's very powerful really for a vehicle of this size. 4 to 6 sitting places, 4 sleeping places. There's the sleeping place up there. It's the tent in the roof. Right, instead of buying that, what I suggest is this one over here. This makes far more sense. This one here is it costs the same, more or less. Doesn't have quite the same battery capacity, but other than that, this is much better. It's got proper. It's got a kitchen here. It's got a sink. Well, the other one has a kitchen and a sink. But what this has got, it's got a toilet down there. It's got a shower. It's got the fridge here. It's got some storage. This makes far more sense. It's got the same footprint, I think, as the other one, and this is a proper vehicle, in my opinion, for sleeping. It's self-contained, and I've got a feeling that we could one day see non-self-contained vans being banned from lots of places, as they are in Australia and in New Zealand. But anyway, that's my opinion. This vehicle in front of me is the Club Joker Urban, and which has just been released. I would say one thing positive about it though, I do like the indirect lighting on it. Thanks for watching. All the best from me in Germany.